Well, the rain has just started. It's not really a very hard rain. It's a pretty gentle rain. And as you can see, my love seat that is underneath my patio is being leaked on because the ledger board at the top has a crack in it. So the water seeps underneath the ledger board and it runs down and drips onto my love seat. Once again, as I said, this is not a very hard rain. Matter of fact, the rain just started. It's a pretty gentle rain, but I already have water coming through my ledger board because it was improperly installed.